Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a fashion designer. So today I am telling you about Halloween costume. As you know that Halloween event is so near. So the trending fashion about Halloween is about to hear that. So I will tell you some ideas so you can choose the best costume for you. You know that Halloween is a holiday celebrated every year on 30 October. Halloween will occur on Monday 31 of October 2022. You know that the tradition originated with the ancient festival when the people would light bonfire and wear costume of to ward off ghosts. There are many costumes in which costume, clown costumes, funny costumes, pirated costumes, vampire costume, animal costume, devil costume, and zombie costume are very famous. So you are seeing some idea of costume on the screen. If you want to know that about Halloween, so don't skip the video, watch the whole video and share it with your friend. You can see the Halloween pumpkins. You know that the pumpkin is so much important on Halloween. So you know about a pumpkin costume that are very good looking and beautiful when a baby wear Halloween pumpkin costume. So you can see on the screen a baby is wearing pumpkin costume and he is looking very much different and beautiful. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like the video and comment on the video and share it with your friends.